Making 60 Nigerian egg rolls and getting every single one perfect. Today I am showing you my full process from mixing the soft dough, preparing the eggs, shaping each rolls and frying them into that golden crispy perfection. It is not as easy as it looks, but the result is always worth it. Watch till the end to see how all 60 turned out and how much profit this 60-piece batch can make. First, I am preparing my ingredients. This is where everything starts. I started by preparing the eggs. I boiled them properly, peeled them carefully, and then set them aside. Hello my beautiful people, you're highly welcome. If you are new to the channel, you're highly welcome. And if you want more food business like this, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Let's list out some of our ingredients. We have our flour right there, our butter, we have sugar, we have some salt, we're using a little bit of that. We have baking powder. Also, we'll be using milk. We have nutmeg right there. We will unveil other ingredients later, so keep watching. I will be making 2 batches of this recipe. So for the first batch, that's our all-purpose flour, followed by sugar, baking powder, some salt, and then we'll go in with the nutmeg. You can actually substitute your nutmeg for cinnamon powder. Like I said, we'll be making 2 batches of this recipe. The first batch will get 30 out of it, and the other batch will also be getting 30 out of it. So now we are going to add in the water bit by bit. Also, butter has been added. We have added our butter. Slowly add your water to form a soft but firm dough. Not too hard, not too soft, but stretchy and perfect for wrapping. Once the dough is ready, I let it rest a little. While the first batch is resting, I then started with the second batch. I will also allow this to rest while I prepare the first batch for frying. For this second batch, I made use of cinnamon powder instead of nutmeg powder. It is optional, it depends on the one you prefer to use. So let's begin with wrapping of the first batch. Get some flour ready. I take each dough, wrap it carefully around the egg and make sure it is smooth and sealed properly. I roll the egg in some all-purpose flour before placing it in the middle of the roll. Please seal this properly. You can see why you need a stretchy dough, not a hard dough. This is to avoid it bursting in the oil. If you are enjoying this recipe, I also have a 100 pastries and snack recipes cookbook for home and business purpose. Perfect if you want to learn and start selling your own snacks. So check out the link in the description box below to download yours now. If oil finds even one small gap in your dough, it will expose it immediately, and this will cause bursting of the dough. One by one, I continued until I complete the first 30 pieces. Now it is frying time. I heat the oil properly, not too hot and not too cold. Temperature is very important here. I gently drop them in and let them fry slowly until they turn golden brown. And honestly, this is the most satisfying part of the whole process. Just take a look at that. If you love my recipes, I don't just share cooking content. I also help you build skills and start your own business from the comfort of your home. You can get access to my recipe cookbooks, baking, events, hair and face care ebook. Also, you can join our online classes, my baking class, Tigernut business classes, and more. Kindly check out the link in the description box below to get started. I am finally done with the 30 pieces. One by one, I continued with the second batch until I completed the next 30 pieces. And just like that, 60 Nigerian egg rolls are done. Look at that golden color. Crispy outside, soft inside. This is exactly what we wanted. No burns, no bursts, no wasted batch. Just clean, perfect egg rolls, one after the other. This is what consistency in food business looks like, and this is how small food business builds daily income. Should I show you how much profit I made from this 60 pieces? Let me know in the comments below. Also tell me in the comments, which would you rather sell, egg roll or puff puff? And if you want more profitable food business like this, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Also, don't forget to like, drop your comments in the comment box, share with your food enthusiast friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.